These are actually hiked up. Just my underwear always goes up.
Johnny! Johnny, 260.
Oh! And then he's holding.
Hey, you're trick. You do that a lot? You. Alright! You do that a lot, Johnny?
Gorilla glue it back on because it messed me up so much. What is that?
Yes!
Yes. What'd you do? Hold on, what?
Did
Oh,
you the trick?
Casper spin.
No, he didn't. Do it again. Do it again.
Do it. No! You jerk. Wait, come on. Laura. Have your date. Come on to eat. You're not allowed to go with us, Clay.
Why?
Come on. Come on, Chris. Go back to your date. Your date's leaving
Hey, Joni.
He's leaving.
Go back to your
What?
farm.
Could you girls please leave me alone?
You're the most pathetic human being I've ever met in my life. Got it.
Are these clothes dry? Can you girls tell?
I'm guessing that they're not. Here with them?
Should the glass be warm?
Yes. Put them in one of these.
They're young. I could get in that one right for an hour and wouldn't even break out in a bead of sweat. Were you feeling that?
Yes. Crawl in that dryer.
I wouldn't even work up a bead of sweat in that thing.
Oh my god. Oh! We're gonna take him to Olive Garden. It's your dad's birthday. He's more polite this time. Hey Clay. Hey Clay, why are you in our camper?
I was invited inside.
Exactly.
Sweetie, it does me.
Make a face. No. Spell your name in sign language. No, do some jumping jacks. No. Go run a lap around the neighbor's camper. Okay, don't. No. We're just sitting in the rain beside the road. It's horrible. No. My face is cold. I miss Johnny. I miss Johnny too. Let's go down to the pavilion. And Alex got in trouble, so he had to go to his grandpa's, and we can't hang out with Alex. Poor Alex. Wow. Please.
That's tripping. That's like you touch that part. Dude.
That was like a
gotta do it like this.
Okay, now fall into fire.
No, you're tripping. You would really do that. You're like, wow. I'm scared.
Come on. You probably shouldn't.
I'm going to. Are you watching?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Wow. You're gonna be like, I was a chicken and Judy. Not. She'll be so confused. Are you hungry? You just have to have the essentials. Mayonnaise. More cheese sauce. You gotta get back. Some cheese sauce. What are you doing? Nothing. What are you doing? Nothing. Look, okay. We're being creepiers, and we're gonna sneak and look in someone's camper. Oh, okay. You said be quiet because Dad's sleeping. We're gonna go. Bye.
Yay! You look like Boy George.
You walk a lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say what? Okay, say that someone dropped some popcorn. Would they just throw it out the window? You licked me. What would you do if a squirrel busted through that window and attacked your face? Ow! 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 My head! My face! God.